Hello everyone. We're going to download Eclipse, which is the development environment, in which we're going to be actually coding all of the code in this course. Eclipse development environment is one of the most popular, and that's the one we're going to use. You can also choose to install IntelliJ, which is another IDE that is very popular. This course is going to be exactly same for both. Since we're learning to code, you can really learn at any development environment. To download Eclipse, just type in Eclipse download in Google. And the first link right here is going to take you to their website. So click on that. And click on this download button. This will redirect to the download page. So JRE is actually a runtime environment. You're going to learn more about what that is. But basically, when you run applications, the JRE is what runs those Java applications. So not only you can use Eclipse to write the Java code, but you can also run that code directly in Eclipse. So that's basically what that's saying. So let's click on this download button right here. And it's going to start downloading the Eclipse installer. When your download's complete, click on the installer file. Now it's asking us, what would you like to use? So we can use Eclipse for a bunch of other things. We're going to use it for Java. So click on this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. It's asking us, where do you want to install it? Notice it's pointing to Java Virtual Machines JDK 21. And installation folder telling me exactly where this Eclipse is being installed. Okay, let's click on install. Click on the accept now button. And then it's going to start the installation process. And in a few minutes this installation should be complete depending on the speed of your system. The installation is complete. Click on this launch button to start the application. And once the launcher starts, it asks us to define a workspace. Where is the code that we're going to write? Where's that going to reside on our machine? And it's automatically decided that it's going to be in my user's account. I'm fine with that. You could choose to have your code anywhere on your machine. Click on launch. And there we go. The Eclipse IDE has started. This is the welcome screen that you should see. You can click on this X button to close it. So we're going to create a Java project. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. I think this is a good starting point for you to make sure you have both Java as well as the Eclipse installation done. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.